Namaste. I hope that you all are fine, that you have begun this week at a beautiful note. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about the energy of this week through the tarot. But before I begin the video, people who do not know me, let me introduce myself. I'm Ruhi Aluwalia, a coach and a therapist. I help people to overcome challenges in the sectors of health, career, relationship, and finances, but in a very holistic way. So let's start what the tarot has to guide us for this week. To begin with, we have this card. Now this card tells us that this week there are going to be a lot of changes. It is possible that some people start doing new activities, you stop certain activities, certain things that you were doing in the past, you may not continue, or you may bring some changes to those things to eventually start something new. It's also possible that some renovation work can go on in your office or where you live. And there is a lot of energy of transformation this week. As far as the professional life is concerned, you've got these two cards, excellent cards that tell me that this week will present you with new opportunities. So you've got to be really alert to grab the right opportunity at the right time. You see, I was talking about the transformation. So this transformation for some people could be also in the field of your work. So be alert, because this week you can really make the best use of your professional life. As far as the finances are concerned, we've got these two lovely cards that tell me that this week we have all the magnetic energy to attract abundance, material abundance in our life. I see money coming in through some new deals, new negotiations. So if you are alert, you grab the right opportunity at the right time, and you are aligned in your money frequency, in your thoughts, feelings, and actions. So this week can be a very promising financial week for you. As far as the love life is concerned, we've got these two cards. Again, love life looks great. There's going to be a lot of desire. There's going to be a lot of strength to carry forward the relationship. The only thing is that you have to be sometimes you have to slow yourself down. Don't go over the board, because the other person could be a little bit overwhelmed. So this week, try and just slow down your emotions, because you'll have so much of upsurge of energy that you could be very demonstrative in your emotions, in your actions. That could be a little bit overwhelming for the other person. As far as the health is concerned, we've got these two cards that tell me that physically we need to take care of our back this week, of the lower body, starting from your navel to your feet. So any problem related to back, hips, and the joints around your knees have to be addressed this week, because this week is going to be very demanding, because you will have to adapt to all the changes. You have to be in that energy of movement. So it is possible that you take too much of load on your physical body. At the same time, because it's going to be a very demanding week, so some people would just be very much overwhelmed and could be lost in their thoughts. So this week you have to align your thoughts in the right way. Well, that is the job that we all have to do every time, but this week stay a little bit more alert on your physical and your mental well-being. As far as the message of the tarot is concerned, we've got this lovely card that tells us that this week we are all protected by universe. Universe gives us the opportunity to attract material abundance this week, lots of protection, but that depends on us. If our energy is not aligned, then we will miss the opportunity. In case if you want to take a personal consultation with me for the tarot, the link is there in the description box. Do tell me how was it this week for you. If you like this video, please hit on the like button, share this video with at least 3 people that you know to inspire, guide others, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to continue to receive further notifications. I wish you a lovely week and lots of love.